Stop trying to save your way to $1 million. You've been told that skipping a $5 latte will make you rich, but the truth is, you can't save what you don't earn. That one lie is keeping you trapped in a life that is far smaller than you actually deserve. Most of us were raised on the same old script: work 40 hours, be frugal, and squirrel away every penny. But in the early part of your life, focusing on saving is a losing game because you simply don't have much to save yet. When you focus only on cutting back, you are playing defense. Wealth is built on offense. If you want the world to open up to you, you have to become a master at generating income. Money isn't even real. It's just a measurement unit of value used to facilitate exchange. If you aren't happy with what you're earning, the answer isn't to spend less on bread. It's to provide more value to the marketplace. The market pays you in exact proportion to your contribution. To get rich, you have to get comfortable with numbers. But don't let that scare you. You only need basic addition, subtraction, and percentages. Let's do the millionaire math together. If your goal is to make your first $1,000 extra this month, break it down. You need $100 from 10 people or $10 from 100 people. Once you hit that, you just raise the ceiling. We know people bringing in $1 million a month, and they all started by crushing these smaller, actionable goals first. The rule: stop being a Swiss Army knife trying to do everything. Go all in on your strengths. That's your competitive advantage. If you're dissatisfied with your paycheck, acquire a new skill that allows you to do something more valuable. Markets can crash, currencies can fail, but you can never lose your intrinsic value. This is the collection of skills, ideas, human connections, and habits inside you. If you're just starting, reinvest your money into yourself. Buy the books, take the courses, and go to the seminars. The average CEO reads over 50 books a year, while the average person barely finishes one. Skills that pay off forever. Learning how to learn. This allows you to upgrade your software whenever the world changes. Sales and negotiation. Everything in life is a sale, from getting a job to finding a partner. Selling isn't lying, it's showing how your solution adds value to someone else. Emotional intelligence, EQ. People with high EQ often outperform those with high IQ because they know how to motivate others. Here is the hard truth most people won't tell you. You have to sacrifice your social life and work 80 to 100 hours a week to escape mediocrity. Like a rocket, you have to burn most of your fuel just to escape the gravitational pull of an average life. While your income is growing, you must live like you're poor. The biggest reason people fail to stay rich is they flex too early. They buy the fancy car or the watch the second they see a little profit. The wealth blueprint: invest between 50 and 80% of your income and live on what's left. Self-control is what differentiates the real from the pretenders. Don't increase your quality of life until your investments, not your salary, can afford it. Rich people don't work for stuff. They work to buy money-making machines. If you earn money and spend it, it's gone. But if you buy an asset, like rental property or an automated business, that machine buys your toys for you. Eventually, you hit the Great Barrier. This is the tipping point where your machines make enough money to buy more machines without you lifting a finger. This is why passive income is worth 10 times more than earned income. A job paying $250,000 that eats 80 hours of your week is a cage, but $50,000 in passive income buys you the one thing money cannot replace: your time. You have the same 24 hours as everyone else, and today you're voting with your time on who you want to become. The opposite of success isn't failure, it's inaction. I am challenging you to a 50-day financial reset. 50 days is long enough to face the struggles and see what you're really made of. Define a goal that makes your blood rush. Remove every temptation and distraction from your environment. Prioritize the goal above everything else, before your friends, before Netflix, before sleep. Get the money, but don't lose yourself in the process. Don't be a slave to the numbers. Use them to build a life of freedom and impact. The timing will never be perfect, so stop waiting for Monday. If you're ready to stop making excuses and start making moves, write the word READY in the comments. We'll be watching. Your future self is waiting. Go get started today.